Hey, this is Landon from Digger Game, and today we're going to be smashing all these Kinder eggs we have here. We have 5 big ones, and we have 6 little ones. These Kinder eggs are banned in the States, but you can buy these everywhere here. So I'm going to be opening this one, not normally, but with my forehead. I'll try to. Oh, this is hard. So I left a big dent in the Kinder egg. And so that's what my forehead did to the Kinder egg. You didn't see anything. I'm gonna be carefully opening this. Never mind. Ooh. Okay. Just had to get rid of all of that. What is this? I got another guy. He looks cool. Now it's opened. Oh, I see what it is. This is a painting thing, so you just put it in there once it's wet. And you give this guy a paintbrush. And then you can paint with him. So, yeah, that's him. Now we're going to be opening the pink one. Okay, so we're going to be punching this one, trying to open it. Ow. Ow. This is really hard. So we're going to be smashing it. That really hurt my hand. So that's what I did. I cracked it around. So I guess I'll be opening it the opposite way than I'm supposed to. Sorry, I can't stop laughing. How much that hurt my hand. I honestly thought it would open quicker, but Kinder chocolate is hard. Ooh, something pretty. So that's what I got. Oh, there's instructions. This is Barbie doll. So I'm not gonna make it. So I'm gonna smash it again. Or punch it. I'm gonna try to punch it again. Ow! It hurts. Oh! I hit the plastic. I hit the plastic. I don't think I'm opening it right. Oh. So that's what this one looks like at the end. I hit the plastic. Oh, I'm going to be opening it carefully. It didn't open that way. That's what it looks like from the inside. You can see the mark of my head. Yeah. I'm just gonna have a lot of chocolate to eat. Okay, so I got a double. I got another painting guy. So yeah. Got another one of him, so yeah. Now we're gonna have to open the last big one. So I'm gonna be stepping on this one. So put it here. Dun, 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 dun. So, as you can tell, this one went well. So, I don't think that one went as well as the others, but really? Did you give... Oh, they gave me another one of the cookie molds. Okay, so now I only have doubles. Yay! Now let's open these ones. Ow! Oh, now opened. I will be stepping on one of these. I can't open these small ones. So then I'm going to open them like that. Is this some kind of fake Pokemon or something that they tried to make? I'm gonna grab this thing, and then, why is this so long? Okay, so I put it there, and then I shove this thing on the top. I think that's what it said. I did it. Maybe you can fly like Superman. Nope, it failed. Next Kimberly. Be smashing it with the boat. Whoops. I did it. Oh, it pooped. It pooped again. So that's what this one looks like. Got a hole there. Okay, so guess I just wanted to show the insides and not the outside. Got a lot of chocolate to eat. I think I said that already, but I don't care. Oh, it's all in the cracks, but eh. Do I shove this on his head? Oh, I know what this is. It's a ring that I have no idea how to put it on. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, it doesn't work. Forehead. Oh. Oh, my forehead has a bruise. So, you can tell that I hit this pretty hard compared to what they look like. Okay, not that much destruction. And that's what it looks like on one side. That's what it looks like on the other. This one isn't as messy as the others. is rain. These don't even work on this one. Doesn't work. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? No. No, he can't. There's not really much to show from that one. This better not be another useless thing. Oh my god. It doesn't work that way. Okay, he's sitting. I finished it, some kind of move character, I don't know. Whoops, it broke. Got two left. I'm gonna smash them together. Cookie! Sorry about that moment of silence. I'm gonna try to bite them both at once. There we go, I did it. And it tastes terrible. This one's not open yet. Here we go. Go. Wait, was there still something in there? Oh. So they gave me this. This looks fun. Actually, what is that? Oh, so you go like this. You pull his head back and then release it. Oh, that looks fun. It was supposed to do something. Oh! God, that little piece of crap now. So, as you can see, we got some really cool things. Some of them weren't that cool, like the ones that I threw away. Those guys like sharing their pain, and I got these two weird things. And this. With the... I got that thing. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment.